Hello friend, in this video, I am going to show how you can deploy your portfolio website completely free of cost in Netlify. Let's start. First, find a free HTML template. In this video, I am going to use Templatemo website. Choose a website that you like and download it. You can also see the preview of the website template. I have already downloaded this website template, so I am not going to download it. Customize the website with your profile information. You can use any code editor that supports HTML. I am using VS Code. Before zipping the file, make sure name of main file of project should be index.html. Now create an account in Netlify by using email ID. I have already created an account. You can see the dashboard like this after registration. Zip your project and drag to upload the zip folder in Netlify. You can see the website is deployed within a minute. You can also change the URL as you want from settings. Now your portfolio website live. You can share it to your friends, companies. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.